Alright, so today we're going to talk about standard normal distribution. So, normal distribution, what we're talking about is your typical bell-shaped graph. Alright, of course, it's symmetric, both sides. The middle will be considered your average. Which is also your mean. Alright. And you can use this using data. If you want to find, an area. So let's say we want to see if P of X was less than our mean. So let's say our mean was 350. Put that. So we'll be saying, what if X was less than 350? Everything less than the mean, which is 350, would be on this side, right? So you'll be looking pretty much for the area. All right. So let's see. I have a problem here. Let's read it. All right. A physical fitness association is including the mile run in the secondary school fitness test. The time for the test, this event for the boys in secondary school is known to possess a normal distribution with a mean of 450 seconds and a standard deviation of 40 seconds. Find the probability that a randomly selected boy in secondary school can run the mile in less than 358 seconds. All right. So let's get our little graph going. All right, this is the mean. All right, so first we know that our mean is 450. So let's write this down. Mean goes 450. 450. Let's see, second, we know that our standard deviation is 40 seconds. Now, what we're trying to see is when P of Z is less than 358 seconds, right? All right. So, let's see. P of Z is 300 less than 350. If our mean is 450 right here, we're talking about, let's say 358 is somewhere right here. We're just write this down as saying this is 358. So what we're trying to see is find the probability that a selected boy in the group of boys will run less than this amount. So from 0 all the way up to this point, this is our area we're working with. All right. So things you need to know. The probability of Z is going to be equal to your random variable, which would be 358, minus your mean, which would be 450, over your standard deviation, which our standard deviation that was given was 40. All right. So let's work it out. 358 minus 450. That's going to give you negative 92 divided by 40. That's going to give you negative 2.3. All right. So we're going to put P of Z is equal to negative 2.3, right? So this is what we're working on right now. So next, what you would have to do is you would have to find your z-score, right? So we need to find the z-score. So let's go to our z-score chart. Negative 2.3. All right, let me show y'all this. Let's see. See, so negative 2.3, which is our mouse is. It says 2.3 is 0.007. So 0.0107. All right. So that means Z equals 0.0107. Z given is going to be your probability. So if we times 100%, it's going to be 0.1%, which means it is less likely to happen. And for the correct answer, 0.0107. All right.